go to the airport. We're on the way. I'm just at the gas station right now, so in a few minutes we're gonna go to the airport, and then yeah. So I'll see you there. Yeah.
Okay.
I want hot Coke.
You don't want like a macchiato or anything like that, huh?
No.
Straight old hot cocoa, huh? Okay.
They might not make it the way I like it.
And they don't have any like appetizers, so we're not eating here.
I know. Okay, so we made it past check-in and customs. Now we're getting coffee at a restaurant. So. First stop, State Vegas. So we're like
I see a little luggage cart. I'm gonna stop and get one.
Great. So I tried doing my makeup on the plane, and then when I was trying to blend out my my baking powder, there was this ugly freaking color of eyeshadow like got everywhere in my makeup bag, and it got all over my face, and it was so bad. But then I used concealer to cover it, and it's still, I feel like I look like shit right now. So I'm just gonna go fix it. Okay, Starbucks. There was this woman yelling at the storm because she couldn't get her service for like 35 minutes. She was like screaming to the entire airport. Like, I get why she's mad, but like, you don't have to let everyone know that you're mad, because it's kind of dramatic. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna look it up. Stepdad gave me some garlic bread, and now I'm cleaning my makeup brushes and stuff because they have eyeshadow all over them. So yeah.